Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. This portable vacuum cleaner is designed to clean mattresses, couches, stairs, and other fabric surfaces, making it easy to maneuver and use. The agitator is another advantage of this vacuum cleaner, which is designed to loosen dirt and debris from surfaces. This feature is particularly useful when cleaning mattresses and upholsters where dirt and allergens can accumulate. Let's not wait any longer and unbox this thing. Hey, if you want to see us testing, cleaning, and reassembling it, please check out our entire video. Peace.